Hey guys, it's me, Do3MG Plays. Today we're going to be showing you how to make your own how you can make your own custom keyboard. So the app is called Cheetah Keyboard, and right now I'm showing you how to get your own background. This is all the options you can have, and then you can pick your own background under the hot, and yeah. So you can see this. For the letter cases, here's that, and then that. You can pick your own, and then there's that. And then when you press save, you have to put your name, and then you have to put your email, and then we save, and then you can have your own keyboard. So yeah, this is how you do it. See you guys. Bye.